Good evening. I just came out here to give the ponies a treat and saw this beautiful sunset. Last night we didn't have no sunset, it was raining. But now tonight, there's some clouds over there, but that's just gorgeous. We had a nice little rain all day. Real windy. But this evening it's just calmed down. It's good and chilly. I'd say it's probably in the around 48 degrees or so right now. I mean, it's actually just perfect weather. But the color in that sky tonight is just magnificent. So I just had to share it with y'all. I know there's some bad weather east of us, so I hope everybody's staying safe and that you just be careful out there. But we've been real blessed. I'm not sure how much. I just walked by the rain gauge too. Didn't even take a look, but I'm sure we got a ½ inch or better out of this. And we just had some wind. I don't really know what that is that I'm hearing over there. Sounds like a sheep, maybe a goat. But anyway, it's a magnificent evening for June the 3rd. And we've just been blessed with the moisture we've been getting. Well, I'm gonna get out of here, and thanks for watching. Stay safe, and God bless.